Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to set automatic savings rules in Lendingclub. Automatic savings rules makes it easier to build your balance without having to think about it. With Lendingclub, you can schedule recurring transfers or create custom rules that move money automatically from check-ins to savings. Start by opening the Lendingclub app and then navigating to your savings account, and then you're going to look for the option that's labeled transfer or savings rules. From there, you can choose how much you want to move, exactly how often you want it to move, and on which specific days. For example, you might set a rule to move $50 every Friday or a percentage of each paycheck into savings. Some accounts may also allow roundup savings, where of course every purchase made with your debit card is rounded up and then the spare change is transferred into savings. Over time, these small amounts will definitely add up. Once your rule is set, Lendingclub handles the transfers automatically, helping you to build financial discipline while growing your savings in the background. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.